see done. In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate.
What the hell? Hey, Jimmy, take a look at this. Is that blood in those bowls?
Yeah. Hit that sometimes. Last old sacrifice an animal.
Mother of God.
Ain't gonna last too long. You gotta feed that chicken, bro.
Jimmy? Chicken.
Black male, I'd say 7 or 8 years old. Head, arms, and legs in this.
This is a cigar ritual.
Could be. The limbs were severed through the bone instead of at the joints. They're easier way to cut up a body. I'll check the blood in those bowls, see if it is. Do you see anybody hanging around?
Oh, it's too cold. Go home.
We're gonna need all the trash that you picked up in the area, everything.
Find stuff like this before? Couple of dead goats, birds, and freaky people in the city.
Detective! Thank you so much.
You know, animals are heard of. What religion sacrifices kids?
None that I know of.
Any chance he died of something else and this something else? You know what?
There's blood clotting at the neck. This boy struck his head when he was still alive.